you guys. Thank you for coming by, and let's just go ahead and get into this video. So the hair that we are talking about today is two different kinds. We're doing a custom blend. That is Sam's Beauty authentic brand Ocean Wave. Now they have this new multi-pack where it's 6 bundles in a pack, and don't quote me on this, but it's in the 20s. It's like 20 something dollars. Now I don't know if that's on sale or if that's the regular price. I'm not sure, but y'all know I love the Ocean Wave hair by Authentic. It's comparable to the comparable to the Kima Ocean Wave, but it doesn't have the ridges in it. It's more of a softer, smoother texture, but yet it's not silky. And I really like it. It really gives a natural look to the hair. So the thing is that curl patterns with Kima Ocean Wave and the Authentic brand Ocean Wave, they are almost identical, but yet not. There's something just a little different. Other than the ridges that Kima Ocean Wave has in it, it's like a little difference in the texture. Not the texture, I'm sorry, but the curl pattern. So with that being said, I thought, let's blend them together and see what we come up with. Let's see if it makes the look any different, or if it brings anything else, out in the style. Why not? So that 6-pack, for me, y'all know I have an undercut, and again, I was adding Kima Ocean Wave to this style, so I only use like 3 bundles out of the 6, but I know that one 6-pack, you guys will be able to get a full head out of that, like no question. Unless you got one of them heads that you got to turn sideways to walk through the door, you should be fine with the 6-pack. So yeah, go with that. I apologize for the sniffing and stuff. Y'all will see in the vlog coming up, I have been moving and flying back and forth, and I have gotten the sniffles. So yeah, I apologize for any of that that's going on in the video. Anyway, I'm gonna turn the music on because why not? I will give y'all my final thoughts on everything, and of course I love to hear y'all's final thoughts as well in the comments, so please sound off there. And yeah, let's just get into the install and see how it turns out.
damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. Tried to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss, that's why it's all I got. Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far. So far, so far. If a paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far. So far, so far. If a paper crane can fly, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, so let me know what you guys think. I feel like it does give it a bit more dimension doing that blend together. I think it is fabulous. Like, I am in love with how this turned out. I love that Authentic is offering that 6-pack of Ocean Wave, because you just buy that 1 pack and you're good. But I also loved blending it with the Kima Ocean Wave as well. Like, the dimension that it gives, I just absolutely love. Let me know, does it look any different to you guys with it being this custom blend, or does it look the same to you, just like Ocean Wave? Let me know. But I feel like it gives it a little bit more curl, a little bit more dimension, and I'm here for it. I am absolutely here for it. So let me know what you guys think.